Hello everyone, this is the full tutorial on how to increase your staking amount. If you haven't staked CWEB before, please watch the full staking tutorial linked in the description. If you're currently staking less than 10,000 CWEB and will keep your increased stake below 10,000 CWEB, you only need to send your additional CWEB into your staking wallet address, and it will automatically become staked and start to accumulate additional rewards. If you're currently staking more than 10,000 CWEB, or if you've started below 10,000 and you're increasing your stake above 10,000 CWEB, you will be required to commit a 10% collateral burn for your total amount of CWEB staked above 10,000, which will be reimbursed on the mainnet launch, unless you leave the program early. For example, if you're already staking 20,000 CWEB and you're now increasing your stake to 30,000 CWEB, you'll need to collateralize an additional 1,000 CWEB to cover the additional 10,000 CWEB staked. If you're currently staking 5,000 CWEB and you're now increasing your stake to 30,000 CWEB, you'll need to collateralize 2,000 CWEB, which is 10% of 20,000 CWEB, above the 10,000 CWEB threshold. The first 10,000 CWEB is designed to be gas-free staking for all members of the community. Step 1. To increase your staked amount, first go to the Coinweb staking dashboard on staking.coinweb.io. Open your MetaMask wallet and increase the amount of CWEB in the account/address you are using for CWEB staking. In our example, we've been staking 30,000 CWEB in our account named CWEB Staking, and will now send an additional 10,000 CWEB to this account. Please make sure that you don't transfer out any CWEB from your staking account, as this will result in the loss of your accumulated rewards and collateral. As usual, this account must also hold a small amount of ETH to pay for any associated gas fees. In our example, we still have enough gas remaining from our initial stake. Step 2. Once we have the desired amount of CWEB in our staking account, we can connect our wallet to the staking dashboard by clicking the blue button. The dashboard will show us the available balance for staking, which in our case is 10,000 CWEB that we've just sent to this account. Scrolling down, we can enter the amount we want to stake, and the dashboard will show us our total staking amount, the staked amount that remains in your wallet, and the layer 2 staking collateral. If you're increasing your stake during a booster window, the dashboard will also show additional metrics such as your percentage of the entire boost pool, the expected rewards boost, and the expected boost rate. These numbers are expected, as they will be finalized only at the end of the 24-hour boost period. For the very first participants, the percentage share of the boost pool will start at 100% and drop as more people join the pool during the 24-hour boost window. The expected rewards boost is made up of forfeited collateral from people who exited the program early, an instant 5% bonus to your boosted amount, and 1 million CWEB from the Coinweb team. However, these numbers may change between each booster window. You can preview the change in the expected results by changing the amount you want to stake and playing around with it before deciding to make the transaction. Step 3. Once we've entered our desired amount, we're ready to increase our stake by scrolling down and clicking the blue button below the Stake with Wallet Address title, which opens our MetaMask wallet. Click the blue Confirm button to commit your increased staking amount. If you don't have enough ETH in this wallet, you can look up the required amount here. In our example, the maximum gas fee is 0.00068 ETH. To make sure that you have enough gas and that your transaction doesn't get stuck in the mempool, we recommend sending 0.02 ETH to this wallet. You can watch our staking tutorial if you're unsure how to do this. Step 4. Once you're done, you can go back to the staking dashboard to verify that your staked amount and collateral have been updated to the desired amount. If you have participated in a booster window, your rewards rate will temporarily increase, but it will then decrease daily as the rate averages back down towards the base rate of 15%. You will have another chance to increase the rate again during the next booster window. We hope that this tutorial was helpful, and thank you for your continued support. Please leave any questions that you have in the comments of this video, and thank you for watching.